Welcome to this video where I'll show you how to turn on screen mirroring on your phone so that your phone screen will be mirrored on your TV. This is specifically for Oppo phones. The first thing we need to do is to make sure that your phone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Bluetooth would also be an option, but this time I'll be using Wi-Fi. So the first thing you need to do is to go to settings and turn on your Wi-Fi. As you can see, Wi-Fi is currently turned off, so we can just click on Wi-Fi again, so that it's connecting to your existing Wi-Fi connection. Once this has been completed, we can go back, but stay in settings, because the next thing we need to do is to go to connection and sharing down here. Just click on it. And in connection sharing, there's another option that says screencast down the bottom here. We just click on this one. And here you can search for display devices. As both of your devices are now connected to the same Wi-Fi, it will be able to find your TV. So we can just click on search for display devices, and it's now searching for your TV. It has now found my Android TV. And now I can just click on this option and it's now connecting. It's asking me now if I would like to start recording or casting, and yes, that's what I would like to do. So I just click on start now, and it's connecting now to my TV. Now I can see my phone screen on my TV. If I would like to stop this screencasting, I can just click on the red stop screencast button, and that's all you need to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.